So when you first get your Hyosung 2600 SE, if you need to get to the SD card slot or your Ethernet port, it will be behind your fascia, right here. And the SD card slot is right behind your screen on top, and that's so you can do your software updates through there. And then your Ethernet port will be right underneath, and to access it easier, it will undo this screw on the side right here. And then I already did the one on the other side, and this just makes this able to tilt this screen forward for easier access. And then right underneath here, where your white cable is your Ethernet cable, and it should say LAN. You just pop it right back in when you're done.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.